40 years ago, when Optus launched its first satellite, the model was simple. Build it, launch it, then use it until the fuel ran out. That model has changed. Today, satellites can be serviced in orbit, extending mission life and strengthening network resilience that our customers depend on.
Aurora 1 proved that capability in practice. Working with our partners Northrop Grumman, we docked the mission extension vehicle with Optus D3 and were able to extend the life of a critical satellite and maintain that in-orbit resilience for our network.
Aurora 2 takes that further. With a mission extension pod permanently installed on D3, we will be moving to a longer-term operational capability that can support the satellite for years to come. It is a smarter way to manage satellite life cycles, and it helps us keep critical capacity in service for customers across Australia.
Our Aurora program shows how Optus is investing in practical innovation that delivers real resilience. It is one more reason Optus remains Australia's leading sovereign satellite provider, helping customers stay connected today while building capability for the future.